friends, this is Soham here. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys that communicating on Pop is so much fun and easy. All of these on my Pop wall here are the visual messages. And it looks so much better than the traditional text messaging. Now I've just received a new Pop from my friend right here, and let's see what he has to say.
Check out Deadpool 2 trailer in Hindi, it is super fun.
Nice. I shall also reply back and with a video sticker. I had seen the trailer. It's so crazy. We should definitely go and watch it together and in Hindi. Now I can go ahead and add a emoji. Just like this. Perfect. And the pop card is ready to share. Did you guys just see how quick and easy it was to reply on a pop card? I just received another pop card in the group. And did you guys notice that how the communication thread shifted from the second row to the first row? So every time that you receive a new pop card, the communication thread will shift from down to up, just like this. I have received another pop card here in the same group, so let's just go ahead and check them out.
I love 1+6 and this is mine.
Nice, so I'll too reply with a text bubble. Don't forget guys, I'm in the line also. Perfect. And now I can go ahead and add my favorite heart emoji and just doodle around and share it just like this. One more interesting thing here is that all of these bars on top represent each pop. So these are several pops under one pop card. Doesn't this make Pop a complete, unique social experience? So guys, go ahead and enjoy communicating on Pop. And I'll be back with much more exciting videos on Pop features. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See ya!